Welcome to How to Solve.
Hey there! For today's video, I'll guide you through how you can create a website shortcut and add it to your iPhone. There are actually a few different ways on how you can go and add website shortcuts to your iPhone home screen, but for today's video, I'll just cover one. So the first way is just by opening up Safari, and then what you need to do is go to the website. For example, if I wanted to go and create a shortcut for Apple, I just have to go and search for Apple like so. And then this is the website. Once you're on the website, all you need to do is go to the bottom of Safari and go and click on the share button in the middle. By the way, the share button is the square with the arrow coming out of it icon. So just click on that. Then what you need to do is just scroll down and you should then go and see the option for add to home screen right here with a plus to the right. So click on that there, and then what you can do is go and name the shortcut. So I may go and name this just Apple. There is actually a recommendation already. And then on the left of it, you can also go and see the icon which is going to appear on your home screen. So what you can do is then go and click on the ad in the top right, and there we have it. As you can see, I've now created the shortcut in the bottom, and when I click on it, it's still going to go and take me straight to Apple. And yeah, that's actually it. That's how we make website shortcuts on iPhone.
Please like and subscribe for more content. We'll see you in the next one.